everybody, man. Today is the day. Still don't have the suspension on. About to go do some, I want to go try to find like a twisty road. I actually went back and watched the video when my boy Malik rode my motorcycle. He went on this little back road, so I'm gonna try to go over in that area and see if I can get some good pulls for y'all guys. Yeah, hope y'all enjoy this video, man. Little daytime POV. I haven't done this one yet, and I do have my GoPro, but funny thing, I ain't even lying. I charged it up, fully charged. It was at 96. I cut it off, came in the damn car, trying to cut it on. Like, I can show y'all right now. I honestly might get a new one, but Hero 7 is pretty good. But yeah, man, I tried to cut it on. It is not coming on. I took the battery out, and it's not coming on. But it's all good. We still got a camera, man. Let's get it. Let's get some sound bites in this bad baby. A little brighter. Love this road right here. This is definitely a back road, y'all. I had to go watch the video of my boy Spikes, see exactly what route he took from my house. And this was the route, y'all. I think that was the way. Or this could be the way. Let me see. Definitely the one. Got a little Miata right here. Yeah. That sun kind of beaming though. Wait till I get the short shifter, man. I rode in my boy Steven's Type S. That short shifter was on point. Like, I like that. Let me bust this quick, you. Believe it or not, I found a painter. I won't say who's painting my car, just know I found a good painter. I looked at their work, good reviews and good work. Like, the pictures are, you know, self-explanatory. So I found a painter. I'm in the middle of on who I want to do my suspension. I'm waiting on one person to respond back on their numbers. Once they give me their numbers, then I'll be able to decide for sure. It's out of Concept Racing, and this other guy who pretty much has the same exact car as me, but it's all-wheel drive. Look like Bill Gates was just walking his damn dog. Got a few good options. We will see. I just gotta stay tuned. Bear with me. Everything's about to fall into place. don't want to do too much, you know, driving, because them boys be hiding. They be in some ducked off spots. I'm gonna give y'all a few more pulls and then go park this bad baby. When I drive this car, I don't like driving it for long. When I'm giving it that pedal to the metal. Yeah, did y'all see that? Did y'all see that old school right there? That bad baby is nice. Right there. I'll zoom in for y'all if I can. That bad baby was nice. And it got white walls on it. One, two, three. Oh yeah. That second gear pull ain't no joke. Got the sunroof open so y'all can hear somewhat of the engine. Oh yeah, these are back roads for real, for real. Trying to take it easy. Hey, y'all ain't never seen me do that one. Y'all ain't never seen me do that one. This mug. Damn, I'm finna get a sunburn. Hey, man. It's a fun-ass car. Fun-ass car. Especially when you get that K24. I'm gonna promote that on this channel. I guess I'll go home. I guess that was enough fun. Damn, my GoPro, man. I'm gonna get y'all some content. Well, I'm getting y'all content now, but I want y'all to see what I see and feel what I feel. You could kind of get a glimpse of all that right now with how the camera's viewed. But I still want y'all to, you know, see the steering wheel, see the road, see me shifting. You can see all that now, but it's nothing like a POV with the GoPro strapped on the head. Nothing better than that. But y'all comment down below how y'all like this view. If y'all like this view better than GoPro, then we could keep doing these. That would have been a good street to turn on. Huh. I'll have to check that out next time. That looked like a twisty road over there. Oh yeah. I'll give y'all another POV over there. yell behind me. Well, I'm back to the crib, and I went into AutoZone after I cut the camera off. Got zip ties. Y'all know how it be when you gotta use zip ties for any situation. Zip ties always save most people lives. Yeah, when y'all see me in this car, that's pretty much the only time I'm gonna be driving the car. I really don't drive this car outside of YouTube, and that's kind of how I want to keep it. Yeah, it's gonna be a race car, of course, but if I do want to daily this car, it will definitely be daily driven compatible. Like if I want to park my actual daily and drive this to and from work, I will, but I don't want to drive this to and from work because traffic, stop, go, shift, like who got time for all that? If this was an automatic with pedal shifters, hell yeah, I'll drive this motor to work every day, and I would definitely be on time every day. But yeah, man, thank y'all for tuning in with this video. I know y'all thought this video was going to be the suspension video, but it's not. I'm actually talking to my boy right now who's going to most likely we're scheduling an appointment to go ahead and get everything done. And yeah, so hopefully next video, or maybe the next video. Y'all just stay tuned, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Like the video, comment down something you like about the video, comment something you have any questions about, anything under the hood, anything about this car that I haven't explained, which I most likely explained already in the previous video. So before you ask a question, go tune in on the other videos, and then if I didn't answer it, come back. So yeah, thank y'all for tuning in with this video, man. Life with D Black. Until next video, play ball. Peace.